There's been a lot of progress in 1 week down in the Jungle X area here at King's Dominion. The first thing you're going to notice, the fencing has changed a little bit. That old fence has been removed and the new fence is now up. The Toumbili line has changed. You'll see a worker standing out there and a rope chain as well. Those footers that were complete are now covered here by these wooden boxes or just some boards. They did a nice job hiding them. They're going to have this area finished up before the park opens daily. After that, you'll just see work going on the other side of this wall, all the way down to the Flight of Fear building. It's crazy how fast things have moved along, but I'm really surprised that we haven't seen any supports or track pieces show up yet. Maybe this week coming up we'll see some, but the fenced-in area is still empty as of today.